Vusi Nova cancels bestie Somizi. Mzansi star, singer Vusi Nova has unfollowed his bestie, media personality Somizi Longo on Twitter along with everyone else he previously followed. He also removed his profile picture. Vusi Nova has unfollowed not just his bestie Somizi, but also everyone else it seems, bringing his following right down to zero. He has also removed his profile picture and replaced his name and biography with a full stop. His last tweet dates back to September 2020, while his Instagram is as lively as ever. 2 days ago he posted a picture of himself dancing on Instagram, so he seems to be okay. Although he has not posted a picture alongside Somizi in about 4 weeks, Vusi Nova has also not liked any of Somizi's recent posts. Could Vusi Nova be distancing himself from Somizi, the pair who celebrated their 16-year friendship anniversary in March this year has been so close that many thought they were secretly dating? However, Vusi Nova poured cold water on these claims. "People out there are saying we are dating. But we are not dating though," he said. "We've got mutual respect for each other. We trust each other a lot. He's helped me through so much," he added. Since Mohel Motorn claimed his estranged husband Somizi Longo has physically abused him, sabotaged his career opportunities, and more, the media personality's bestie Vusi Nova has been silent. He has not yet defended Somizi or picked sides. However, he seems to be taking a step back from his bestie. This year Somizi and Vusi Nova were seen together more often than Somizi was seen with his husband. The pair were posting each other several times a month, showing their followers how much time they've been spending together, while Mohel was nowhere to be seen. The pair have been on luxury bestications together as they took a private jet to Cape Town and a scenic road trip to Kruger National Park. Somizi also promised that the pair would go on bestications every 2 weeks. However, since the abuse allegations, Vusi Nova has not just taken a social media break from Somizi, but he also hasn't attended Somizi's African Cuisine Sunday Meals tour either, as he has done in the past.